Did you know that by 2027, over 90% of enterprise applications will integrate AI agents in some form, but less than 20% are building them on infrastructure truly designed for scale, governance, and security? It's like trying to run a Formula One engine on scooter fuel. It just doesn't work. Let's break away from the hype and get practical. What does it really take to build intelligent agents that perform reliably, scale securely, and integrate into your enterprise fabric? Microsoft's latest reference architecture offers a powerful answer. It all begins with the semantic kernel. Think of this as the agent's nervous system. It's what enables understanding beyond the surface level. Instead of responding in isolation, it remembers, reasons, and acts. It plans multi-step tasks, holds memory across turns, and coordinates different capabilities together. Without this kind of orchestration, agents remain transactional. With it, they become truly assistive. But building intelligence isn't enough. You need a system to scale it. That's where Azure AI Foundry steps in. It transforms isolated experimentation into systematic production. Foundry offers everything from model pipelines and telemetry to CI/CD integration and policy management. So instead of every team reinventing the wheel, you're standardizing best practices and pushing updates through a governed, secure channel. Now, even the most well-structured agent can't be effective if it's making things up. That's where Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, changes the game. And it's powered here by Azure AI Search. The agent connects to enterprise data, FAQs, contracts, manuals, and pulls only the most relevant, accurate snippets before generating a response. It's like giving your agent real-time access to the best expert in the room every time. Still, different tasks call for different engines. Some require the sheer muscle of GPT-4, others benefit from leaner, specialized models. The model catalog gives you this choice. And with the Azure AI Agent Service, you're wrapping these models with enterprise-grade capabilities, monitoring, safety controls, and performance guarantees. This ensures that no matter the use case, customer support, finance, operations, your agents are both powerful and dependable. Always remember, security is non-negotiable. When agents are interacting with users, triggering actions, or accessing data, every move needs to be authorized, validated, and tracked. That's why managed identity plays a critical role. It authenticates every connection within the ecosystem. Layer in Azure Content Safety, and you're protecting not just infrastructure, but brand trust, ensuring agents don't produce harmful or non-compliant outputs. And with Microsoft Purview, you have complete data governance, lineage, and audit controls. Once deployed, agents need to be watched, not just to catch issues, but to learn and improve. That's where Application Insights becomes essential. It tracks every event, every user journey, every anomaly. With this feedback loop, you're not just reacting, you're proactively optimizing. You can see what content was retrieved, how long it took, where it failed, and where it excelled. And of course, all of this depends on the quality of your data. Agents are only as good as the context they operate in. Enter Microsoft Fabric and OneLake, a unified foundation for all your data sources. Instead of siloed systems, you get a coherent, connected landscape. Whether it's structured or unstructured, Fabric makes it accessible, performant, and governed. That's the true power source behind any smart agent. So when we look at the whole picture, it's not just a checklist of technologies, it's a cohesive system where each layer empowers the next. The semantic kernel is the reasoning core, giving your agents the ability to think and plan, not just react. Azure AI Foundry industrializes that intelligence, so you're not stuck in prototype purgatory but can deliver innovation at scale. Azure AI Search and RAG do something profoundly important. They inject factual grounding. They ensure the agent isn't just fluent but also accurate, pulling in trusted contextual enterprise knowledge before responding. Then, the model catalog and AI agent service step in to provide the right brains for the right tasks with enterprise-grade control and monitoring. Security and governance layers like managed identity, content safety, and purview keep it all safe, compliant, and ethical. You're not flying blind either. Application Insights gives you observability that drives continuous refinement. And anchoring it all is Microsoft Fabric with OneLake, unifying data from across your organization so that every agent decision is rooted in a comprehensive, connected view of your enterprise. At Skysecure Technologies, we believe AI agents are more than tools. They're an extension of your business logic, your brand voice, and your customer promise. That's why we don't just deploy this architecture, we align it with your vision, your use cases, and your scale. Whether you're modernizing customer service, automating internal ops, or building industry-specific assistance, we bring the full Microsoft stack to life in a way that's tailored, governed, and future-proof. If you're exploring where AI fits in your enterprise roadmap, or you're ready to build agents that don't just respond but truly deliver, then now's the time. Let's shape the next chapter of your digital transformation together. Give us a call or drop us a note. We're here to help you turn ambition into action. A lot more details in the description.